Driving a manual car, also known as a stick shift, requires coordination between your feet and hands to shift gears and control the vehicle. Here are the basic steps to drive a manual car. Before starting the car, make sure the parking brake is engaged and the gear shift is in the neutral position. Press the clutch pedal all the way down with your left foot and turn the ignition key to start the engine. The car will not start if the clutch pedal is not fully depressed. Keep your left foot on the clutch pedal and move the gear shift to the first gear position. Slowly release the clutch pedal while pressing the accelerator pedal with your right foot. As you release the clutch, the car will start to move forward. Once the car is moving, shift to second gear by pushing the clutch pedal down and moving the gear shift to the second gear position. Then, release the clutch pedal while pressing the accelerator pedal again. Continue shifting gears in this manner as you increase your speed. Generally, you will want to shift gears at around 2,500 to 3,000 RPMs. When you need to slow down or stop, press the clutch pedal down and shift to a lower gear. This will allow the engine to help slow the car down, known as engine braking. To come to a complete stop, press the clutch pedal down and brake with your right foot. When you are ready to park or stop the car, move the gear shift to the neutral position and engage the parking brake. It takes time and practice to become comfortable with driving a manual car, but with practice, it can become second nature. Remember to always be aware of your surroundings and use caution while driving.